Sabi, show it to them. Sunglasses. Kumusta mga Daiji? Magbumukbang kami ngayon ng, what do you call this?
Nabe.
Nabe? What kind of nabe?
Tonkotsu shoyu flavor with ramen.
Ramen. Tada!
And we have sushi.
Sushi and fried squid?
Yeah. Fried
Do you call
squid.
this calamari here? No. What do you call
no.
this?
Ika gesso fry.
Okay. And what's this?
Chicken, right?
Just fried chicken?
Aburiyaki chicken.
Ah, Sophie! Hello! And bago kami kumain, magkakape muna ako. At coldest water ulit. Sophie. At coldest water ulit yung gagamitin nating water bottle.
Okay.
Sophie, come.
Come. Ora, soup there.
Okay, gagamitin natin ng gunting ang noodles ni Sophie.
No.
It's okay? Alright.
Sophie, achi.
Dun, dun, dun. What do you want to eat? Fried chicken? Okay. At ang chopsticks ni Hana, syempre, pambata. Sarap ng pagkain namin ngayon, so puro Japanese food to lahat. Okay, Hana. Tikman muna natin ang fried chicken kung masarap. First time lang namin to bilhin dun sa store na binilan namin sa Mom's. Kalimutan ko na yung pangalan. And tikman natin kung masarap. So itong mga to, luto na to. Pag binili mo yung sushi, ganyan na. Itong squid, ganun din. Tsaka itong fried chicken. Ito lang iluluto mo, itong nabe. Try this fried chicken.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Sarap din. Ayos. Hey, here, just bite. Tada!
Okay, sit down.
Tada! Pero tapos unahin muna natin to lamin kasi ma-absorb yung sabaw. Ano, here. Ang hirap kumain kapag may mga kasamang chikiting. Sabi, you like your noodles? Yeah.
Do you like it? Yummy?
Yeah. You wanna try the sushi?
Oh, okay. This is my favorite salmon roll. We call it ikura.
Ikura?
Ikura.
Tell us something about your experience at the Japanese restaurant in Canada. Because she worked at a Japanese restaurant as a server before. Tell us about your experience about foreigners dipping sushi in the soy sauce.
They're dipping sushi in soy sauce, but they're using it.
Okay, what were you saying?
So they're using too much soy sauce for sushi. We have soy sauce bottle like this, and they're gonna use it half. It's like they're drinking soy sauce. Too much. It's not good for their body.
They're using too much soy sauce. Okay, akin na si Sophie. So, mukbang Q&A tayo ngayon. First question, Mariko, are we planning to have a third baby?
It's nice, but we can't.
Huh? What's that? What's that?
No?
Lang pala siya sa daliri niya. So, it's nice but we can't. Why can't we? Huh? Why can't we?
I think it's gonna be hard.
Yes, it's too hard. If we're in Canada, maybe we can have a third baby because it's easier there. And as I've said in my previous video, the more children you have, the more government support you will get. But here, it's not like that. So it's gonna be tough for us, and we're not young enough to have a new baby. I mean, like, we need to save for the future of these two. That's why. 2 girls are enough for us for now. Second question. Why are Japanese tables low?
Slow.
Low.
Oh. A long time ago, we used to sit down on the floor.
Sit down on the floor?
There's no... Our culture is sit down on the floor, not on the chair. We didn't have the chair before. Long time ago.
That's why your tables are low. Third question from Renato Salazar. Marunong rin ba magsalita ng Tagalog ang mga baby nyo? Hindi po, sir, dahil hindi ko sila talaga tinuturuan. Katuwaan lang namin. Words lang tinuturo ko sa kanila kasi nga paglaki nila, hindi na nila magagamit yon. Kailangan nila matutunan ay English. Kasi yung mga Japanese, sobrang mahal yung ginagastos nila para lang matuto mag-English yung mga anak nila. Tapos kami libre lang kasi nga pwede namin silang turuan, kaya gusto namin i-take advantage yon. At right now, mas Japanese yung mga salita nila. Konting English nga lang yung natututunan pa nila sa ngayon. Kaya English and Japanese yung salita nila. So, fourth question. May balak po ba kayo magkaanak ng boy? God bless lagi sa inyo. Kay Ma'am Lorivic Roma, ay kagaya po sinabi namin kanina, hindi po kasi nga 2 anak lang okay na sa amin dito kasi kailangan namin mag-ipon para sa future ng 2 bata. Sabi no. Fifth question from Joe Atencio. Kung papapiliin ka mag-work for the rest of your life, which one do you choose? Japan or Canada? Kung ako lang, mas gusto ko talaga mag-work sa Canada kasi nga mas madali para sa akin. Pero andito kami sa ngayon kaya dito na muna. Are you enjoying your stay in Japan so far?
Because the food is nice, family is together. Hope we can go like anywhere, anytime. But we can do it because of Corona. Anywhere it's same, right? It's hard to have a trip.
And how's your work?
Work, I feel I'm enjoying it, but I don't know. I'm enjoying it, but I feel a little hard.
Hard?
Yeah.
Oh, sabi, no. Ay, ang hirap ng ganito, may bata. Ang hirap gumawa ng video na may batang ganitong kutas kumakain ka. I say it's so hard to make a video like this with kids. Okay, so Hana, you like that fried chicken?
I don't need this.
Let's try the sushi. Sushi! Try ko tong salmon. So, nakasale yung sushi ng binili namin. 500 yen yung binayad namin dyan. Nakasale na yun.
Parang ko lang yun.
Sabi na. Let's go. Let's go.
Wait.
So, okay. Let's pull the table. No. Okay, let's finish our food. No. Go. Ay, ang hirap talaga ng ganito ng may bata. Another pusit? Yung pusit okay na yung lasa, hindi naman talaga masarap.
Sophie,
Siguro kasi hindi fresh, pero...
That's born, Sophie.
Medyo matabang kasi. Pero okay lang.
Okay.
Hello! Sophie, what are you eating?
Sophie, you're eating bone. You okay?
Wanna try coffee?
Okay.
Instant coffee is the best. Eh? No? No comment.
全然美味しくない。
Pinalaya na namin si Sophie. Pinalaya. Kasi hindi na siya mapakali dito eh.
This one has wasabi.
What do you call this one?
This is inarizushi. But this is wasabi inarizushi. I don't think I never seen this in Toronto. We have, can you see the green one? We cut the small pieces for wasabi. And I don't know how to make this, but it's not the ground.
Is it real wasabi?
Real wasabi, but it's not spicy. So if we grind wasabi, more spicier.
But it's not. Are you talking about the paste wasabi?
Paste wasabi? That's not spicy, that's fake.
Artificial? So yung mga wasabi kasi na nakakain natin sa mga restaurant, usually mga ano lang yung artificial lang, hindi talaga yung tunay na wasabi.
That's why people are using it a lot of wasabi. But if it's real, they can't do that.
Me? I don't eat wasabi. But because of the smell. I don't like the smell. Toby, what do you have there?
Wow, that's cool.
This is Baba.
Yes. Sunglasses.
Is it Baba's?
I think so.
Oh, Sophie, come. At nagbabalik na po si Sophie. Meron siyang sunglasses.
Yummy, yummy, yummy,
Yummy. Oh,
Do you have ramen?
ano, mapagod na ako sa Sophie. Kanina ko pa binubuot-buot yan, kanina pa sa church. Hi, Sophie! Tumupo siya doon. Why are you there? Come.
It's like she's watching us.
She's watching us.
She's like a model.
Sophie, show it to them. Sophie. Sophie, show it to them. Sunglasses. There. Kaligayahan ni Sophie. Oh, you want pusit? So, this is pusit.
Okay.
Say pusit.
See.
Ana, pusit.
Hannah, that's quick.
Say pusit. Pusit. Sabi, pusit. Say pusit.
See. Quick. Pusit.
This is manok.
Ah, manok.
Manok. Sabi, Hana, this is manok. Manok. Hana, say manok. 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 So, sushi. Ano ba Tagalog ng sushi? How do you say sushi in Tagalog?
Sushi.
Sushi.
Sushi. Sushi.
Ayos.
Ayos.
Means good? Good?
Sabi, what are you eating? That's squid?
Where's the... Ano?
Sabi, come. May sinasabi si Sophie. Come, Sabi. Sabi? What's your problem? Yung kamay niya daw may mantika. Come. Adele.
This is so dirty.
Ang sarap ng chicken. Ang sarap din ng soup. Sushi, okay na okay.
You want more?
Ito, okay lang. Tama lang.
More? Okay. I have to make more, put more noodle.
Okay, so, magdadagdag kami ng sabaw at noodles. Tatapusin na lang namin tong pagkain na to. And gusto lang namin magpasalamat sa inyo. Oh, hey, Sophie! There's wasabi. There's wasabi in it. Sophie. Alam niya na maanghang yun. Hindi niya dapat kainin.
Sophie, sorry, raw fish.
No, Sophie. Don't eat it.
So we're gonna put the noodle and soup again. And it's like second round.
Yes, and then, we just eat everything, then we'll end this video. Lalaro sila doon. Okay, bye everyone!
Bye-bye!
Bye mga Daiji!
Bye!
Mga Daiji.
Mga Daiji.
Bye! Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye!